Decomposing or Horizontal Addition, Day 3. Do you have your notebook and your paper? Let's get ready. This is one of my favorite strategies. Today we're going to do numbers that go over 100. So we need to practice our addition of tens numbers that are larger than 100. So remember, we add our tens with our tens and our ones with our ones. Put your tens with your tens, your ones with your ones, your tens with your tens, your ones with your ones. So I'm going to take this tens number, which is an 80, bring it straight down and combine it with the tens number from the second number we're adding. So 80 plus 70 equals 150. I'm going to write it as a 100 plus 50. Now, you could have looked at that as a break apart and said, oh, 80 needs a 20. I'll take 20 from the 70 to make my 100, and then there's 50 left. You could have said, oh, there's a 50 group in there with an extra 30 and a 50 group in there with an extra 20. So there's my 100. We use all of our skills that we've been practicing all year. Now we take our ones and come straight down and combine it with the ones over there. So 8 plus 5 equals 13. And I'm going to write that as a 10 plus 3. 50 plus 10 equals 60. So 100 plus 60 plus 3 equals 163. Nice job. All right, 49 plus 74. Pause and solve this. Okay, let's check your work. Did you put your tens with your tens? So 70 plus 40 equals 110. I'm going to write it as 100 plus 10. Put my ones with my ones. 9 plus 4 equals 13. I'm going to write that as a 10 plus 3. Combine your like terms, which is 10 plus 10. So we have 123. Great job. All right, pause and solve. Let's look at your answer now. We're going to put your 90 with your 40. 90 plus 40 equals 130. And I always write it in expanded because sometimes it's a little tricky to add things together. But if I separate them, then I can just combine the like terms together. 5 plus 8 equals 13, which is 10 plus 3. Combine now to get 30 plus 10 equals 40, and 100 plus 40 plus 3 equals 143. All right, 64 plus 86. Let's check your work now. 60 plus 80 equals 140. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 100 plus 40 plus 10 equals 150. 77 plus 59. 70 plus your 50. Remember, we always put our tens with our tens, our ones with our ones. And also make sure that you call it what it really is. Make sure you call this a 70. Make sure you call that a 50. Equals 120. So I write 100 plus 20. 7 plus 9 equals 14. So I'm going to call it a 10 plus 4. 100 plus 20 plus 10 equals 134. All right, nice. Okay, remember, put your tens with your tens and your ones with your ones. 60 plus 60 equals 120, and 5 and 5 is 10. So 120 plus 10 equals 130. Great job on your horizontal or your decomposing math today. Keep practicing.